Still worried about cumbersome packaging, processes, and soaring labor costs? Today, this fully automated all-rounder machine will solve all your pain points in one go. Let's take a look. 1. Thermoforming and cutting. Precisely control the blister packaging shape and compatible with various types of adhesive, products, and specifications. 2. Blister pack transfer. The robotic arm smoothly picks up the formed blister pack, then precisely places it into the product mold for positioning. 3. Product placement. Suitable for manual feeding scenarios, flexible and convenient. 4. Paper card placement and heat sealing. The robotic arm automatically picks up the product paper card and precisely places it over the blister packaging. High-temperature precision heat sealing. Securely sealed, dust-proof and moisture-proof, ensuring product quality. 5. Finished product transportation. The robotic arm picks up the packaged product, place it smoothly onto the conveyor belt to directly connect to the next process. This machine has truly achieved fully automated operation. One piece of equipment can replace 3-5 workers. Not only does it significantly reduce labor costs, but its production efficiency far surpasses similar products in the industry. If you also want to gain a competitive edge and capture market share, then quickly leave a comment in the comments section saying, "I need it." Get your exclusive customized plan.